Let's keep it above gingiva. And let's keep this natural profile. So if you're going up with these papillas, then go up with papillas, okay? And then we can do the same with palatal. If it's hard for you to do it with the mirror, you can just find a straight visibility to that and do it like this. It's not a criminal thing to do that, because you will also do it in real life. And you can always check it with your mirror from the other view, from the other perspective. Okay, so one selection is here. So we selected both step lines in one side and in another. Then we also have two planes. One plane is going according to the actual the line, how is it called, parallel to tooth axis, and the other one is going more inside. Yeah. So we select first cut here, and the other cut we select in the other angle.
It should be the side.
Yeah, so this is parallel to tooth axis, and this one is parallel to incisal edge. So it's different plane. One plane here and the other plane here.
And should we keep the a cusp? This
We will reduce it, but yes, we will keep triangular, because we have two incisal edges here, one here and the other here.
And is it enough for these dots to be taken away for the reduction, or more?
It will be a little bit more, but here we have 1.4 diameter, I think, of the burr, and the handle is 0.5. So we do almost 0.5 cuts here. So we need 1 millimeter overall. So when we will do all the reduction, it will be more and more and more, and then we will see that in the ending we will have this 1 millimeter. It should be up to 1 millimeter. We shouldn't go more than 1 millimeter. So we make it less in the beginning, and then while finishing we will reduce these additional.
Is it okay to reach the dentin?
Belongs to the situation, but usually when you do metalloceramic restorations, you reach the dentin. It's
not
in some places it's possible to keep your preparation in enamel, but for crown restorations, for example, interproximal gaps, it's not possible to stay in enamel. Anyway, you will go to dentin. So it's best not to prepare at all, but if you need to do preparation, then it's best to stay in the enamel. But in the enamel you stay when you do partial restorations. But when you do crowns, it's not possible to stay everywhere in enamel. You might stay in enamel in this place, but interproximally probably you won't stay. Okay, now we can cut interproximal, open it. One side and then another. Now we can do incisal edge reduction. Stay green. So incisal edge reduction goes like this and like this, all the way in, and then we connect it in this angulated way. Yeah, like an arrow. Good. Now we can reduce everything that's too much. So in one direction, according to tooth axis. And in the other direction, according to incisal edge inclination. Okay, so now we can switch to palatal surface, and we can see that there's all this plane is not prepared yet, and we have to do it with our flame burr.
So the incisal is not straight in this case.
No. So we use this flame burr, and we also don't make a straight surface. We make one side of the cut preparation and then the other side of the cut. And we will have some kind of rooftop in the middle of the palatal surface. And we try to keep this intact. Don't reduce it all, but keep this intact. Okay? So now we have the basic shape, and what I would do now, probably I would do retraction and do the step together with final shaping, and then finish the shaping of incisal edge, because now it's too sharp and too edgy. So let's do retraction.